Welcome to my channel. My name is Daryl. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. Hello, let's get right into this. This is the Home Depot sales, and I pulled up the multi-tool kits because they have several good bargains that are on sale through the 27th. So right off the bat, we got a Milwaukee, the M18 18-volt lithium cordless combo. This is 9 tools and 2 batteries, $649. That's a pretty substantial deal, saving $450. That is until the 27th. And there's you an idea what's in there. We've got the drill drivers, the saws, just about all of them, bench blower, reciprocating, the batteries, 4 amp, 2 amp, impact wrench, nice bag. It's a pretty darn good deal for $649 if you're a Milwaukee person. Another Milwaukee deal. It's also the M18 fuel. This is brushless. That first one is brushed. And then this brushless kit, you can see we've got the drill driver and the drill. It's an impact driver for $3.99. They have a limit of 5 per order, so that's also a solid deal. Here's a nice DeWalt kit. This is the 5-tool combo kit with 2 5-amp battery packs and the charger. So you're going to have your impact drill, your regular drill, your reciprocating, your circular saw, and your oscillating multi-tool. It's a solid deal, I believe, at $5.99. Ryobi, this is a pretty good deal on it as well. $5.84, saving $245. This is normally listed at $8.29. This is going to have a variety of just about everything you need. So it's got your drill driver, a flashlight. It's got your jigsaw, reciprocating saw, multi-tool, impact wrench, side grinder. This is especially good. It's got your miter saw. Those are super handy. Grab and carry with you. It also comes with the batteries and a charger and a couple of nice carrying bags, all for $584. So if you're starting from scratch or just wanting to get into the Ryobi line, these are brush models, not brushless, but still a solid value at $584. It comes with 2 of those 4 amp hour batteries. Good warranties on all those tools. Here's a DeWalt Atomic 20-volt max lithium cordless 2 combo kit. This is going to be your drill and your drill driver. As you can see, that impact driver, it's the compact version, very nice. You're getting a 5 amp and a 2 amp battery, 2 amp hour battery, $269, saving $30. Here's another Milwaukee M12 fuel 12 volt kit, saving $120 at $249. It's going to come with your drill, your impact driver, and 3 different batteries, and the charger. Solid deal. Another DeWalt version. Here's the 20-volt brushless combo kit. Notice I said brushless. This is a 4-tool kit. It's got your reciprocating, your oscillating, your drill and your drill driver, and batteries with a charger, all for $3.99. Save $50 during the sale. Another Milwaukee offering. This is brushless. It's a cordless hammer drill and an impact driver combo. Save $190 during the sale. And if you want to buy more than one, you can get another one, 5% off of that. So that's the nice Milwaukee fuel version, brushless. Very nice outfit. Another Milwaukee offering, the cordless mid-torque half-inch impact wrench. It's the M12 fuel. So you'll notice you'll get the small one and the large impact wrench, along with the batteries and a charger. $549. Here's another multi-tool kit from Ryobi. This is brush, not brushless. It's coming with two 4-amp-hour batteries and one 1.5-amp-hour battery. And it is the full kit. It's got the drill driver, jigsaw, oscillating, sawzall, sander, and circular saw. So that's a pretty round, solid kit. It says overall value is $800. I'm sure if that's purchased separately, but for this sale, save $233. So it's at $296. Pretty darn good deal. Another Milwaukee offering. This is brushless, and it's the cordless subcompact drill and impact driver, and a couple of the batteries. Solid deal at $199. It's part of the buy more, save more. So if you buy $400, you save like 20%, and $600 like 30%, and up to $1,000, it's close to 40%. So if you buy enough of their tools that are in this particular category, you can save pretty big. Next, we have the Ryobi one. This is brushless. This is the drill and the driver kit for $179, and it does come with a couple of batteries and the charger, a nice carrying bag. $179, not a bad deal. DeWalt 20-volt max cordless 9-tool combo kit. These are brush, not brushless, but you're going to save $350 on this particular offering. It's now $649. It's a special buy. And you got the whole gamut there. You got your drill driver, oscillating, multi-tool, side grinder, saw, and an angle drill. I just noticed that one. And reciprocating saw. So it's quite a round set. A couple of bags to go with it. So everything to get you going at $649. Here's a slightly smaller kit. This is a cordless tool combo kit. This is brush type. It's got a 4-amp and a 1.7-amp-hour battery with it. Save $20 at $329. So a couple of the drill driver, a couple batteries and the charger. Here's a camper's kit from the Ryobi One line. 3-tool camper's kit with area light, Bluetooth speaker, and the 4-inch fan. I can only vouch for the 4-inch fan. It works extremely well. I have one. It's very handy. But all of those for $63 is quite a buy. You're saving $70. Here's a rigid 18-volt 5-tool combo kit. It says you're going to save $456 on this set. Right now it's on sale for $249. So you're getting your drill, your impact driver, reciprocating, circular saw, and a flashlight, a couple of batteries, and a nice bag, all for $249. That is a great deal for someone just starting out. They duplicated it here in Ryobi One. These are brush models. 4-tool combo kit with 1.5-amp-hour battery and a 4-amp-hour battery and the charger. It's $249, special buy. It's going to have your drill driver, and your circular saw in a nice bag. And they throw in a flashlight. Here's a super big deal, or I said big deal. It's a big deal, but it's also a big set of the M18 fuel lithium ion. This is the brushless models, so they are a little more. But it's got the whole set there, your impact, your drivers, your drill driver, your drill, your flashlight, your angle grinder, circular saw, reciprocating saw, 2 batteries. It's got a miter saw there, a router, and an angle driver, all for $18.99. And it says buy one, get one online only. So you can get both of these. 2 of these for $18.99. I don't think that's true. I think it's buy one, get a battery. So don't hold me to that, please. Pretty sure that's just a free gift with purchase. That means you're getting the battery. The DeWalt 20-volt lithium ion, my goodness, lithium ion cordless 2-tool combo kit. That's the drill and the drill driver for $429. Milwaukee kit, $2.99. Hammer drill impact combo with 2 batteries, $2.99. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver. So these are brushless. It's coming with 2 nice batteries, a charger, $578, and it's coming with free gift with purchase. So that also comes with those free batteries. DeWalt's 20-volt lithium-ion 2-tool cordless combo kit with 2 5-amp batteries, 5-amp-hour batteries, and a charger for $2.99. So the batteries will cost you probably $150 by themselves. So that is a nice solid deal. Another rigid offering, the drill and the drill driver for $129 with 2 2-amp-hour batteries, charger, and a case. And here's a Milwaukee 18-volt brushless combo kit. Seems like we've seen this, but they've changed it up a little bit. It's got the little angle grinder with it. So the drill driver, 2 batteries, angle grinder, charger, and a nice hard case for $619. And it says the free gift with purchase, and that's going to be your extra battery. And I believe that's long enough for this particular episode. I'll jump on through the other pages and see if we want to extend this. But I wanted to go over mainly the kits. Well, there's another nice kit I like. The Ryobi 18-volt. This is brush type, but it's coming with 1 1.5-amp-hour and 2 4-amp-hour batteries. The drill driver, flashlight, reciprocating saw, oscillating, jigsaw, circular saw, and a sander, all for $296. So if you got the time, these are good through Monday. They're good in-store only. This one says online only. So most of them are in-store only. The online only item was an 18-volt cordless 3-tool combo kit with a jigsaw, router, and random orbiter. And that is a good deal, $129. So you may want to check out the onlines as well. And I'm going to cut it there for now, and we'll try to add some more if I get an opportunity later or tomorrow. But in the meantime, hope everybody stays well. Find those tool deals and share in the comments. Until next time, y'all take care.